Welcome to Section 12, Functions. This is the important tool in clean code programming. Functions allow us to organize large blocks of code, make our programs easier to read, and reuse code. 1. What is a function? Simply put, a function is a named, organized block of code designed to perform a specific task. Think of it as a small, specialized machine. You give it input, it does its job, and sometimes it gives back a result. 2. The DRY principle. The main advantage of functions is adhering to the DRY principle. Don't repeat yourself. If you have the same 3 lines of code performing a calculation in 10 different places in your script, you should encapsulate those 3 lines into a single function. This makes your code smaller and much easier to maintain. 3. Benefits of functions. Beyond reuse, functions improve code readability by organizing the logic into descriptive names. They also provide modularity, meaning you can easily update the logic inside one function without affecting the rest of the program, provided the inputs and outputs remain the same. To summarize, think of functions as the building blocks of any complex program. They are essential for turning a long, messy script into a clean, well-structured, and professional application. Our next lecture 12.02. First function. See you there.